Step 1. Use the inner hexagon. Unscrew the screws of the pump head clockwise. Remove the screw. Take out the pump head. Pay attention to gentle movements. Protect the cable from damage. Step to take out the screw sleeves in sequence. Screw positioning plate. Mesh cover. Step 3. Use a wrench or pliers to fix the rotor shaft. Then unscrew the screw clockwise again. Step 1. Use a wrench or pliers to fix the rotor shaft. Tighten the screw counterclockwise. Install the mesh cover. Install the screw positioning plate. Pay attention that the groove surface is facing upwards. Install the screw sleeve. Step to align the pump head with the wire slot. Place the screws according to the hole positions and tighten them. Complete the installation.